Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Oh yeah, I remember you from
Oh! Your
yeah.
wife, the
Yes,
since
Cassie.
the-
Yeah, yeah.
Yes! Where are you? Are you guys inside?
We're inside.
Oh!
You look familiar. I was like, I don't know where I met
Yeah!
you
How are you guys doing?
before. Good. Man, you have more product now, I feel like.
Yes, we have more stuff.
That's a good thing.
Yeah, well, not for parents. Kids spend more time here than parents like them to, but
No, it
it's
happened.
so much fun.
I bet.
I'll have to run in and say hi.
Yeah, she's not here yet.
Oh, she's not here yet?
Yeah.
Oh, so you came and did all the work?
Yeah, you know. I don't want to get in trouble with the wife.
There you go.
I'll see you later. Hello.
How's it going?
Good. What is your dog name again? Duster?
Lightning.
Lightning, there you go. I don't know why I say Duster for. I know it's start with a D. So what is the big market you're gonna be at this year? You're gonna be in the farmer market?
Oh, I've got Saratoga, I've got Bountiful, I've got Roy, I've got. There's one more. Oh, one in Grantsville.
Grantsville?
Uh-huh.
You go all the way to Grantsville?
Oh, I go next weekend. I'm going to be in Evanston.
Wyoming?
Uh-huh. I got two in Evanston, two in Evanston, and three in Vernal so far.
Verno. Wow. You retired, right?
Huh?
You retired, right?
I did.
Okay, so.
Kind of. Well, this is my
yeah,
new
my
job.
retirement.
But I kind of miss working every morning because I only work part-time in the morning.
I see.
But yeah, it's, this is my new thing. I just put together last night.
Wow, that's pretty. It's like a wind chiming kind of.
Uh-huh. Oh, he's been disconnected a little bit. Yeah, it's a wind chime. I've got this, not a wind chime, a sun catcher.
Sun catcher. Wow.
So when you get them out and they get the sun on them, and they go crazy.
I bet.